Looking for an unlimited image generator? Then this video created for you. Nowadays, we can see huge quantity of AI image generators. In this video, I am going to show you a best free image generator, coming from everyone knows Google. In new tab search in Google Image FX, usually we can see first link from Image FX from Google Labs. We can see many Image FX results, but make sure to open Image FX from Google Labs. First, we should create an account with our email. It's easy, click sign in with Google and select your Gmail account. All done, now we can generate images unlimited free. Select image size. Add your prompt here, then hit the generate icon. See, we can create even comic book also. Easy to download, one click and download button. Results based on we provide image prompt. And we can get different results, generate same prompt also, because this is unlimited free. Therefore, no need to worry about how many we create images. This Google image generator gives us like real pictures. Best part is we can get different images to same prompt. Image FX is free, but result images are in good quality. Not enough to image pixels? Then try Image Upscale. You can find free image upscaler from video description, or watch my previous video to download it free. It's also free and unlimited. If you don't have the idea to write image prompt, ask it from ChatGPT. You can get cool image prompt and image results. Comment me below about Image FX or any other free image generator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.